In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert documents to Google formats in Google Drive. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you often work with various document types and want to ensure smooth collaboration using Google's suite of apps. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing in the web address drive.google.com, or if you have a shortcut, simply click on it. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the main area where your files are displayed and the menu on the left side, which helps you navigate through folders and file categories. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on this icon. This step is important because it opens up a variety of options that allow you to customize your Google Drive experience. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Select settings from the list. Once you do, a new window or sidebar will open, showing various settings you can adjust. Now, focus on finding the Convert Uploads feature. Scroll through the list until you see the option labeled Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format. Next to this option, there will be a checkbox. Click the checkbox to enable this setting. By turning this on, every document you upload, whether it's a Word file, Excel sheet, or PowerPoint presentation, will automatically be converted into Google's native formats, docs, sheets, or slides. This makes editing, collaboration, and sharing much easier within the Google ecosystem and ensures compatibility across different devices and users. And that's it. By changing just one setting, you've made it effortless to convert any uploaded document to a Google format. If at any point you want to go back to uploading files in their original format, simply revisit these steps and uncheck the box. Thanks for watching and happy converting.